Welcome to Bubble Art Kids. Hello kids! Let's learn the phonic sound of letter R. Are you ready? Let's go! This is big R and this is small r. Letter R sounds like r, r. R is for rabbit. R, r, rabbit. R is for rainbow. R, r, rainbow. R is for rose. R, r, rose. R is for ring. R, r, ring. R is for rocket. R, r, rocket. R is for rain. R, r, rain. R is for robot. R, r, robot. R is for road. R, r, road. R is for room. R, r, room. R is for rat. R, r, rat. Let's revise all the words once again. Rabbit, rainbow, rose, ring, rocket, rain, robot, road, room, rat. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in next video. Bye bye.